So welcome back to another episode of Rough Restos, and once again we're working on a new L322. Surprise. So in this episode I'm going to do the same as what I've done to my last Range Rover and upgrade the fog lights for LED units with halos, and ideally code them in its daytime running lights as well, because it's a 2010 model, so we should better code it in as that. These look much smarter, so let's crack on and do it. So what I'll do is I'll link these units in the description. Obviously they should be brand new in a box, but I've already used mine once, so they're not. You'll get a couple connectors come with them. I think they come with them, or they're in mine. I can't remember now. But either way, you want to put a connector on them, and then we'll wire them up to the angel eyes in the headlights. But overall, this is a very simple job. You see my fog lights there? They've seen better days. So I want to replace them. Now this is fairly easy with a screwdriver to pop this grill up. Ow. Grab one. So you'll see in behind the grill here, there are some clips. Let's switch everything in there. Right, there we go. So you can see, it's 4 little tabs. You just got to get in with a screwdriver, push them out, and that will release this bezel. And then behind the bezel, on this unit here, we've got 3 torque screws. Grab driver. Yep. So with a T20 driver, you can undo the 3 screws, then the unit will just pull out. Like that. You've got one quick disconnect in the back. It says, not so quick disconnect. Like that. There you go, one old fog unit. But if you don't buy the ones with the daytime running lights, it's a simple plug it in and you're done. But we want daytime running lights, so I'll feed the wiring back up to behind the headlight at the moment. Right, so I'm going to use a bit of wire or whatever you've got handy to feed down in between the bumper and the washer bottle. I hope I can fish it at the bottom there. And then this bit of cable you've made up to go between the headlights and the new daytime running lights. Tie it on and pull it back up. Just like so. So now we've got our new wiring up behind the headlight. We can plug in the daytime running lights. And then fitting the fog light is just a reversal with removal. Screw it back in, pop the grill back in, done. Okay, so with the cables fed down to each fog light, this side on the 4.4 TDV8 is actually more difficult because there's an intercooler behind the light. But you can feed it in behind the bumper and up around the back. This side drop down straight in front of the washer bottle, not a problem at all. On the 3.6 and that, not a problem at all. Quite easy. So, wiring wise now, bit tight on space if you've got a standard car, but basically we want to jump to the side light connections. Now on the 4.4, so the 2010 ones, it's pin number 1 and pin number 16. I'll put a picture on the video or a link in the description to the other pin outs on the earlier models. Sorry the picture's not great, but in the old sort of 2006 to 2010 models, it's pin 1 for the side light negative and pin 7 positive, and pin 1 on the 2010 for negative and pin 16 for positive. But that's what we want to go to there. So on my one, it's the black pin number 1 at the top left hand side, and at the bottom right hand side we've got a green cable with a brown stripe. That's the positive. So now I'm going to join my wiring into them on both sides, and then they should work. Sorry, the GoPro ruined my audio again. So what I've done here is I've soldered up the connections to the loom. It's pretty tight and it would be much easier if you had the headlight out, but it is possible in situ there. So that's all soldered up, done, ready to go. Fit it back in. And let's see what they look like. Hey ho, all working and looking rather smart. So pretty happy with that, pretty happy with that. It just adds a nice little touch to a car really. So you want to open up your GAP IID and go into car config. Once that's loaded up, you can jump into BCM body control and scroll down until you find the daytime's running lights standard. There is the Scandinavian Canadian options, but they're different. They work in like gears and such, but just daytime running light standard is all you need there. So if you jump into that one and hit the enable, upload it, wait for it to upload, and then we'll see what it works like. And there we have it, all uploaded. What's going on around the front then? Other than a multitude of errors on the dashboard. Oh well. So, lights are turned off. They can also be in auto. Doesn't matter either way. And then, sure enough, they're on. So now these will run permanently as daytime running lights. Excellent. And it really is simple as that. So, reassembly of the front end is exact same as removal. Pop the grills back in, you're done. Nice and simple. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Hopefully you're happy with that. Nice and easy. If you happen to want to see more L322 modifications, alterations, preventive maintenance, and just a whole load of repairs, the Range Rover always breaks, then why not stick around the channel? Subscribe for more, look back through the tons of previous videos and the tons of videos that to come, and with any luck, I'll see you again next time. I've been Jordan. Cheers.